VDAT. I think if you look at the chart here, steady. I think if you look at the pullback from the October 22 high of 49 cents, that actually supported around this level, okay, around the 50%. And now, because of the upswing from the 30-day SMA above the 50-day, share price has begun to inch higher. Okay, so our take is that buying momentum should pick up and re-challenge the previous high at about 49 cents soon. Second stock is actually on Harland. Okay, I think the recent pullback has actually seen share price supported around the 200-day SMA. Initially, I think we were quite worried that the moving average may not hold, but so far it seems like it is actually still holding quite well. Our take is that I think it will try to build a base around these moving averages. If you can look at my cursor here, there is a congestion period. I mean, there is a congestion zone around here, likely, before the rebound kicks in again. On the downside, I think it is important to put a stop at below 68.5 cents. That, once it is violated, basically would negate the whole upward trajectory, which means the long-term uptrend will reverse. Third stock is Awam Biru Tech. Okay, similarly, I think if you look at the stock, it is still you can't really see from this chart, but when you compress the time zone further, basically the stock is still trapped in the downtrend channel. Okay, the only positive takeaway is that we have seen a base form after the February 23 low of 22.5 cents. Okay, and since then, I think if you look at here, the formation of higher low structure shows that a rebound is actually in play. Okay, and I think recently it has actually swung back above the 200-day SMA, so further reinforcing our view that the underlying sentiment has actually improved. But like I said earlier, because it is still trapped in the downtrend channel, I think it is always to put your stop tight to minimize risk on the downside. Okay, for now, I think the stop must be put at below 38.5 cents. I think for Awam Biru Tech as well as Hanlin, the stop loss is important. Okay, because trading will be choppy for these two stocks.